class. One surprise is there for you.
Wow, ma'am, surprise.
Yes, there is a surprise that we are not going to study this topic in classroom. We are going to study this topic in our school garden. So we are going here for a field trip.
Wow, ma'am.
Are you ready for the field trip?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students, let's go for the field trip. Yes, students. So today in a field trip, we are going to do a very small activity.
Ma'am, what activity?
It's a very special activity that I am giving you 2 minutes and you have to collect a plant material of your choice. Okay, students? And when you collect it, you will reach me as soon as possible.
And can we collect anything like branches, leaves, twigs, etc.?
Yes, beta. You can collect anything of your choice. Okay, students? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your time starts now. Students, did you have done your task?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have collected so many things. Yes, Sanjana, what you have collected?
I have collected twig of people tree.
Yes, this is the leaves of this tree. Okay. And Jasmine, what is there with you?
Ma'am, simple branch.
Yes, it's a simple branch. Yes, Muskan, you are very excited. What is there with you?
Ma'am, I have collected a very different type of branch.
Oh, yes, we will study about it in later. Yes, Pita?
Ma'am, I also have a branch.
Okay, and what about you both girls?
Ma'am, we have plant twigs with us.
Yes, beautiful flowers you have with you. Okay, Sanjana, give me your branch. Sanjana, what is present on this branch?
Very simple leaves are present.
Okay, but did you observe that there is a special arrangement of leaves?
Yes, ma'am. At each node, one leaf is present.
Yes, Betty. And see, here at one node, one leaf is present. And can you see there another leaf is present on the node? But all of these leaves, they are arranged in an alternate manner. So Sanjana, as these leaves, they are present on the branch, then this means the arrangement of leaves on the branch is known as phyllotaxy. Can you remember this term, phyllotaxy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bete, and here the arrangement of the leaves and each leaf is present in an alternate fashion. This means this type of phyllotaxy is known as alternate phyllotaxy. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Show me your twig. Yes, Jasmine. Is there any difference from Sanjana's branch?
Yes, ma'am. Leaves are present at each node, but they are in opposite fashion.
Yes, beta. Very good. See here on this branch, at each node a pair of leaves they arise, but both of these leaves they are present in opposite fashion. Okay, students?
Yes.
So this means this type of phyllotaxy is known as opposite phyllotaxy. So we have studied two type of phyllotaxy. Sanjana's phyllotaxy is the alternate one, and with Jasmine we have opposite phyllotaxy. Okay, beta Muskan, you are very excited.
Ma'am, see this branch.
Okay, it's a very special type of branch. Muskan, what you have observed here according to the arrangement of leaves?
Ma'am, leaves are rising from a single node in a circular fashion.
Yes, beta. All the leaves they are arising from a single node. And see all of you, all of these leaves they are arranged in a circular fashion in the angle of 360 degrees. And see the another whorl, it is present at the another node that is exactly below this. And see the third node, it also carries the bunch of leaves. So such type of phyllotaxy where the leaves they are arranged in the angle of 360 degree in a circular manner, it is known as whorled phyllotaxy. Okay, Muskan, did you are familiar with the term whorled?
No, ma'am.
Oh, it's very simple. Whorl means the circular arrangement of the leaves. So this type of phyllotaxy is whorled phyllotaxy. Okay, beta. Tisha, what is there with you?
Ma'am, a branch.
Okay, that is nothing special in that. It is also the example of the opposite phyllotaxy. Okay, that is same with Sanjana's. Okay, and yes, girls, you both are very much excited. Okay, why are you laughing?
We have
have flowering twigs with us.
Oh, you have beautiful flowers with you. Can you show me one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Betty. Is there any special arrangement of flower in this flowering twig?
Yes, ma'am. It is present at the terminal position.
Yes, Betty. Okay, all of you see all the flowers that are present on this flowering twig. It is actually present on the terminal position. Okay, Betty. And Muskan, is there any difference in your flowering twig, Betty?
Yes, ma'am. Here the flowers are present on the lateral branches.
Yes.
And the main shoot is still.
Okay, show me your branch. Okay, students, see all of you. Here also the flowers are present, but the flowers they are arranged in a lateral fashion. Okay, see these are the lateral branches and the flowers are present and no flower is present on the main shoot. Okay, this means when the flowers they first arise on the lateral branches and later on the terminal shoot, then this type of inflorescence is known as racemose. Okay, Muskan, your inflorescence is what type of inflorescence?
Racemose
And Taran, your inflorescence is what type of inflorescence?
Cymosine.
Yes, so we are familiar with two type of inflorescence, racemose and cymose.
Cymose.
In racemose, we have the flower that is present at terminal position. No, it is the, I'm right?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Taran, what is the racemose inflorescence?
Flower is not present at the main shoot.
Yes, where it is present?
on the lateral shoot.
On
Yes.
the lateral shoot.
And what type of inflorescence I have in my hand?
Cymose.
Yes, here the flower is present in the terminal position. Okay, students? Students, did you enjoy the field trip?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you are also expecting many more field trips in future too, I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students. So tell me that what you have studied, Jasmine?
And we had studied about different types of phyllotaxy.
Okay, Tisha, how many type of phyllotaxy are there?
3.
Yes. Okay, bete, don't speak. Muskan, you will tell what are these 3 type of phyllotaxy?
Opposite, alternate and whole.
Yes, opposite, alternate and whorl type of phyllotaxy. And beside this, we have also learned about flowers. Taran, what type of inflorescence we have studied today?
2 types of inflorescence.
Okay, Muskan, what are these inflorescences?
Cymose and racemose.
Okay. Okay, students. So visiting to a field trip is always a learning type of experience. And did you feel the difference from classroom learning and in field trip?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are doing more and more field trips in future. I'm very hopeful that you are quite excited for this. Okay? And you are also expecting many more field trips in future too.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students. So tomorrow we will study more about morphology.
Okay, ma'am.